more about this. Anthea, thank you for your call. Let's speak to Jim Thorpe, who's called us from Bristol. Hello there, Jim.
Hello.
You are actually somebody who trains teachers.
Yes, I'm here at the university. Actually, someone can go in and do help out with carpentry as an assistant, so it's actually not quite true. But I must say I'm a bit surprised to hear that that teaching seems to be the one skilled profession where training is unnecessary. And of course, she's quite right that being inspirational in some sense is important, but even the visiting actor that Alan has referred to, obviously a skilled communicator, might actually find impossible